Okay, so you hear a strange noise and sometimes it smells like it's burning.
Smell like smoking. See that noise right there?
Oh, that's the blower motor. Let me turn this off. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, it appears we have us a blower motor that's not working. Let's hope it's something like a capacitor. We're about to find out. All right.
Hello, Curtis. How can I help?
All right. We got a capacitor right there, but before we check that, let's reach up in here and try to that shaft seems like it should turn. Oh my word. All right, let me see something. All right, that's a 5, or is that a 15? That's a 15 microfarad. It's like this, I cannot see what I'm messing with here. I'm just hoping we ain't got to change that motor. It's gonna be a job. Tell you what, why don't we go get a 15, plug it up and see what happens. All right, that should be the fan. Can't see anything in here. There's no lights. Hold on a second. If that don't work, we're gonna need a new motor. I want to be sure that it's the motor. For that reason, I'm making sure I test this capacitor. It's good. Make sure it's not touching anything. Guys, this is just temporary. Let's see if the blower comes on. Well, that was positive. It's still put this right here so y'all can see the blades. I need to check the bearings a little better. And for that, oh, I can't reach in there. I gotta reach in there and try to play with those bearings a little bit. I gotta get my arm in there. I swear that thing's right in the way. Right in the way. I gotta pull it out just to check the bearings. All right, no screws right there. All kinds of screws right here. Oh well, where's my drill? Something fell down here. I didn't see what it was. I might have to do that anyway just to get this motor out of here. That's a little bit stiff. Not what I was wanting to do right now, but from the sounds of it and that shaft being a little bit stiff, I think we need to replace this blower motor. So that is what we are fixing to do. Let's see. There's probably a set of wires that go to the blower right here. That wire nut, and they don't wire nut, they get a little grommet right there. Right now I'm going to leave them. See if I can find my... I have recently changed bags, and right now I don't know where anything is. I replaced this board several years ago, and this furnace did not have a flame sensor on it, but the new board came with a flame sensor and a kit, and you had to hook this wire into that Molex plug right there and run it over there. Wasn't too difficult, but when you see them like that now, you know it's been retrofitted. Alright, do I have to take these Molexes out? Looks like that's going to be in the way. So let's undo it right here. We got it. Come on. Dang, my transformer's still hooked up. Something's catching. Oh my. Alright, the motor's catching on this right here. This is just lovely. Oh, and here's my disconnect. All right. I'm just going to cut these and put them back together. Is there anything? Green, green, black to black, and white to white. I swear this is a lot of trouble to change a blower motor. All right, we got 2 screws in the bottom of that thing. Sorry y'all can't see all that. All right. There's 1 screw. Word. All right, move that out of the way. Just stiff enough. All right, I get it out here and I realize it's got the mounts on it where I do believe I need a ream motor. Let me look at, I probably don't have but one 115 volt motor. 208, 230, this one right here. All right, let's pull it out and see if possibly we can use this one. That's the one I was wanting to use. It seems like I remember seeing some holes in the side of it. Yes, it does have holes in the side of it. I think I might be able to use it. Let's try it. And that's the Rescue 5460. First, we got to get this one out. Look at that. You see this kind of wobble? That is just stiff enough to cause a problem. But y'all heard it. If I had just replaced the capacitor, I'd be back by tomorrow. All right, let me see if I can find. There we go. I've had the other bags so long. I knew where everything was. look at what I'm seeing in here. Oh my God. I might have to get a wheel puller. That is seized to the shaft. Alright, I gotta know where my set screw hole is. It's right there. Alright, those are finger tight. That's pretty tight. Like I got some charging to do. That big screw pushing the shaft down is moving. It's just not moving very much. How about that? I know there's a popular person on YouTube that don't like to use wheel pullers. I kind of think that might have been hard to do without a wheel puller. But I've seen them get some tough ones out. Uh-oh. One of my mounts is broken. That's no good. And that one looks like it's cracked. Damn. Broken here, broken there. That one's completely broken. Both of those are cracked. I don't know if y'all can see that crack in that one. That one's cracked. I got to call and see if I can get some more of those. Okay, so I would have to order these. I can't just go pick them up. So I'm not going to mount it that way. There's another way to do this, and I'm about to. Okay, we're going to use a belly strap motor mount. We are not going to use those grommets or those compression pieces. I don't know what other people call these. I've just always called them belly strap motor mounts. They do make some that are a little more heavy duty than this, but this will do. Alright, once again, I don't know where my stuff is. Not in there. Here we go. We don't want that sticking down too far. Alright, I'm gonna have to back that off a little bit because I'm not sitting on the bottom. This is going to make it hard to get in the cabinet. I'm trying not to go too far, but I gotta go a long ways. One of our wires coming out here. I don't know if y'all are seeing what I'm seeing, but this is going to be hard to do. Because there's not much touching. The opening is big. I sure as hell engineered it in a way where I got to use their products, didn't I? And it's still not up this way far enough. I'm not sure this is going to hold. If I was going to use some of these in the big hole and then 1/4-inch screws tapped through, I just don't think it's going to hold. I don't think it's going to hold. All right, I got to order. If I got to order the mounts, I might as well order the motor too. All right, so I ended up having to order the brackets anyway. They're having to order them, so they're coming overnight. Today is Friday, which means I'm probably not going to have them until Tuesday. So much for overnight. But anyway, I tried. On to the next. I'm going to be working this weekend, so I'll have some material for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.